Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute bridge card using the Storybook Gnomes suite. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this gnome bridge card. It folds flat and fits in a regular invitation size envelope either way, and it also stands up beautifully to show a fun little gnome scene. So I started with a piece of 8 by 4 1/4 cardstock, and I've scored it at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, and then did the same thing on the other side, 1 1/4, 2 1/2. I'm going to decorate the card with some of the Storybook Gnomes Designer Series paper. Here's the paper, super cute and fun. And the dies from the stamp set and die bundle cut out, not this one, cut out the gnomes, so cute. And then the mushroom cuts out the mushroom houses on this page right here. Super, super cute. Included in the suite is also the Pool Party ribbon, the white and Pool Party ribbon, which is really nice because I used to try to do this with 2 pieces of ribbon, but now that the 2 pieces of ribbon are attached together, I can do my little bunny ear trick with a twist at the end, pull it tight, I can adjust it, and then I have a very cute bow with the blue on the front. There's also puff paint you can heat up to make it look puffy and snowy, and fine sparkle adhesive back gems. There's actually 4 colors. One color is hiding up there, the Poppy Parade, Pale Papaya, and Pacific Point, and Pool Party. Oh my goodness, these are all P. I just realized that. I didn't mean it that way. You know what I meant. Okay, so this sheet of Designer Series paper measures 2 3/4 by 4. And this is going to go in the center here. And then my other pieces are 1 by 4. So I have these 1 by 4s. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to fold and score on these score lines here. So we're going to fold in first. Line that up a little bit more. And then out. And that's what creates the bridge card right there. So we're going to bridge this with some snowy white velvet cardstock. I've used the gingerbread house dies, my lovely snowbank die right here, to cut this out. It's not quite 5 1/2 inches, so I do have to fudge a little bit. So it doesn't quite reach to 5 1/2, so I'm going to create a little curve here for my end. We'll do a little curve on this end as well. so that we have our full piece. So now I'm going to adhere these to the edges here, only to the edges. So you're going to fold one side in and put some adhesive on the bottom. And then you can do that. And then you're going to put another piece on this one of adhesive. And then you're just going to make sure this is flat no matter what. And then trim off any excess. And that's the bridge part of the card. Super fun. So now I've got two mushroom houses. I've got a partial one that I cut out from the paper. I cut out all the partial ones because they are still useful. So I'm going to add this one to the back. Like there's a little house back there. So I'm going to add it right about here. Okay. And then this one, I'm going to use some dimensionals down here. So I've got my little gnome here that I can put on a dimensional as well. I'm going to put the dimensional on the bottom and put the gnome over here. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "Your kindness does not go unnoticed," in Pacific Point. Now I'm going to cut this out using the Stylish Shapes dies. So now I'm just going to use some mini dimensionals. And just add this to the bottom of the card. And then one more step is to add a couple of the Pacific Point gems here. We'll do one in the center of that snowflake. And then we'll do some of these lighter ones. I'm gonna do one right here. And I'm gonna do one right here. And that is our bridge storybook. And that is my Gnomes storybook. And that is my Storybook Gnomes bridge card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just go to my website and click on Shop Now, but email me and let me know that you would like this gnome card kit. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Storybook Gnomes suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.